Hi guys, you're welcome to my channel. If you're new subscriber, you're welcome. If you're old subscriber, you're welcome back. In this video, I'll be showing you how I tie up this scarf round about my back. It looks pretty beautiful and I wanted it to look all cheeky. You could use your scarf or a belt or anything that's a bit long.
I'm using a like 2 inches wide belt. It's actually the belt of one of my dress, and it's like 92 inches long. You can use a scarf and fold it in this way. So I'm just make sure it's equal on the other end. Then you bring it down on your back like this, and then you just basically tie it like a twist. I'm not starting from this end because mine is long. If you have a longer fabric, you can use it from the end of the handle. So I'm just gonna twist it, and after twisting it, hope you can see that I'll fake this over the handle of the bag, and then bring that out. I'm just gonna keep on twisting and taking it over, and I'll keep on twisting and taking it over like that.
I kind of prefer this because it's not, it gives it a kind of design look apart from the normal reading. It's kind of brilliant, but it's fine, it's going to be useful. It's pretty and it kind of takes my bag in a way, it doesn't make it look clean like before, and I just keep on twisting like a stand.
Just gonna bring it over to the other end and make a knot. I'm just gonna make it yeah. And then when you've secured your knot, you just hold it into two, and you bring your arm like this, and you just fold it over, and you tie your bow like that. Gentle, careful. When you secure it tightly, then can't slightly give it a tight style, and after that you just arrange your bow to be and then you have your bag. So
oh boy, one day I'm gonna buy faith. No, my get so come my love.